What's up, y'all? I want to make this quick video on using this compounding calculator. And I want to show you, turn this ring off. I want to show you the power of compounding. And we're going to compare it from compounding monthly to compounding weekly. And you're going to see the difference. Now here you'll see starting out with $1,000 at 20% a month. And this is coming from the Forex market. All right, you're not going to get 20% a month anywhere else, at least your potential in the Forex market. You could get less, you could get more, but this is around about average. And this is for people who are pro traders, and that's all they do for a living is trading. So 20% a month, and for 12 months, this is what you're looking at, around $8,900. Now we're gonna go over here. We're looking at same $1,000, except for instead of 20% a month, you're looking at 5% a week. So that still gives you your 20% a month, but we're broken it down by weeks. And then here where it says the number of months, we're gonna trick the calculator to calculate it by weeks. So it's gonna be 52 weeks in a year. And then that's your amount. And so you see the comparison of 12,000, around 12,000 versus the 8,000. Okay. Now let's throw in some different numbers. And we're going to change this to 24 months. And we're looking at around 79,000. Okay. Not bad. Pretty decent, right? And then we're going to change this from 2 months to 104 weeks. Still gives you 2 years, right? But you're compounding each and every week. Now that puts you at 159,000 compared to the 79,000. Good difference, right? And let's go one more step. We're gonna go 36 months. That's 3 years. And that's gonna put you at 708,000. Okay? From $1,000 at 20% a month. For 36 months. And this is using conventional computing. Now, let's go to the same time period, same dollar amount, same rate. We're just going to change this. 156 weeks. 156 weeks. It's still 3 years, but we're compounding each and every week. You see the difference? 2 million. 2 million compared to 708,000. So this is what I'm trying to stress to you. 1, the power of compounding. 2, using a different investment vehicle. And 3, using time to your advantage. I'm going to be honest with you. You guys are going to watch me create my next million in the Forex market. So it's possible. It's doable. And we're going to watch it happen. So I'm going to wrap up this video. I got a conference call to go get on. Y'all have a great one.